Oh, hi, everyone. Welcome to Biblical Hebrew with Mona Balog. Today we're in lesson 6 in the Hebrew lesson book. We're going to be studying the vowels again. We're going to continue with the vowels. And hopefully you've been able to pick out the letters in Hebrew and now identify the vowels. All right, so we're going to combine the letters with the vowels today. All right, let's screen share here. And here, this is from Britannica.com talking about the Masoretic text. Remember, the Masoretic text is the text that we have with the vowel markings. And here here's a Vav, Yud, Chet, Yud, and then you've got, or here's an Aleph, this is another word, Aleph, Chet, Resh, Vav. I know this is kind of funny, a funny font, but you can still pick it out. There's Mem, Vav, Tav, Mem, Sheen, and that looks like a Chet. All righty. But here you can also see the vowels. So here's a Patach, Shava, Hirek, Patach, Chatef Patach, Seirei. Some of these markings here are trope marks or other marks. Here's the Mem and then the Cholam. I'm not sure what that is. There's a Cholam, another Cholam. Here's a Sheen with the Segol, Ayin, Segol, Veit, Segol, Dalet. All right, and here's God's name. You've got the Yud and the Shava, Hey. Oh, this is a Hey. Okay, interesting. So this looks like this is a Chet, and this is a Hey. All righty, but they have closed it up here, a different font. So Yud, Hey, Vav, Hey, but this Yud has a Shva, the Hey doesn't have a vowel, and the Vav has a Kamatz here, and another Hey, Yud, Hey, Vav, Hey. And down here is a trope mark. All right, so you can see there, this is the Masoretic marking. Oh, here's a Kuputz, look at that. So this is Yehoshua, Joshua. You can see that this is not from the scroll. This is a Masoretic text, but it's handwritten. You can see the marks that the scribe used. It's a handwritten, but it's a Masoretic marked text, along with the trope markings here, and some other markings again that I don't recognize. All right, so that's the Masoretic text. Let's go back to our Hebrew lesson booklet, and we'll do our usual. Let's go to the top and say our pronunciation. And you're getting, I hope, a sense that Biblical Hebrew is fairly straightforward. You don't have that many pronunciations. You don't have that many variations in the sounds. I mean, you do have them, don't get me wrong, but it's pretty straightforward. Right. Say after me, please. Eh, a, I, o, u, I, a, e, oi, ui, aw, t, t, apostrophe. Okay, I'm going to go straight to actually, we're going to do the letters. Aleph, Beit, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, Yud, Kaf, Lamed, Mem, Nun, Samech, Ayin, Fe, Sadi, Kuf, Resh, Sheen, Tav. Okay, these are the 22 letters. We're going to skip the wrap and we'll write in a little bit. Okay, so here are the Sophite forms. Chaf, Chaf Sophite, Mem, Mem Sophite, nun, nun so feet, fe, so feet, sadi, so feet. And the dagesh, remember, that makes the sound hard. So with a dagesh, this is a bait, the hard B sound. Without a dagesh, it's a vait, the V sound. With a dagesh, kaf, the hard K. Without a dagesh, chaf, the h sound. With a dagesh, pei, the hard P, p. Without a dagesh, fe, the soft f. With a dagesh, tav, the hard T. Without a dagesh, sav, the soft S. But again, we ignore this one unless we're Ashkenazim. Alrighty. Two letters, vav and sheen, use the dots, which are not dagesh marks, but still change the sound of the letter. So you remember the vav by itself is a consonant, the V sound. Vav with the O over it is the O sound. The vav with the oo in the belly, the oo is the oo sound. Sheen with the dot on the right, seen with the dot on the left, seen estimate. Now we've got the expanded aleph beit, and I'm just going to make this large here. Okay. All right. Aleph, beit, veit, gimel, dalet, hey. Vav, vav o, vav u. Zion, chet, tet, yud, chaf. Chaf so feet, kaf. Lamed, mem, so feet, nun, so feet. Samech, ayin, fe, so feet, pay. Tzadi, so feet, kuf, resh, sheen, seen, tav, sav. And the vowels. All right, let's just go down here because it names the vowels. Okay, this is the shava. It stops the sound of the letter. Patach, a. Chatef patach, a. Kamatz, a. Sometimes o or all. Chatef kamatz, a. Sometimes o or all. Segol, Chatef segol, Seirei, a. Hirek, Cholam, o. Vav o, Kubutz, u. Vav u. All right, let's say the sounds here. Shiva stops the sound. Patach, a. Chatef patach, a. Kamatz, a, o, a. Chatef kamatz, a, o, a. Segol, Chatef segol, Seirei, a. Hirek, Cholam, o. Vav o, Kubutz, u. Vav u, With the yud, patach yud, I. Kamatz yud, I. Kamatz vav yud, oi. Segol yud, a. Seirei yud, also a. Hirek yud, e, as in ski, e. Vav o yud, oi. Vav u yud, oi. You just add that yud sound as a y, okay? And the syllables, tav, hirek, t. Tav, patach, ta. Nun, kamatz, na. Sheen, hirek, sh. Fe, shva, f. Nun, patach, na. Tsadi, shva, ts. Resh, kamatz, ra. Remember, one vowel, one syllable, unless that syllable ends with a shva, in which case you can make it. One vowel plus en shva can make one syllable. Let's say this one syllable. Aleph segol tav shva, et. Mem kamatz chaf shva, mach. Fe hirek, shin shva, fish. Tav kamatz, shin shva, tash. All right, so now you've got these exercises. We're going to do this on the board. We're going to write out the letters, and then we're going to put vowel markings either below or above or to the left. Okay, so here, we're just going to do that. You can do that in your workbook if you want to. Just write out all the letters, except for with the shava, you can't write the aleph. There's no shava for the aleph because it doesn't have a sound of its own. All righty, so let's get out of this, and we're going to now go write the aleph bait. Okay, and we're going to write all the letters except for the vav o and the vav u, because we're going to use those as vowels. All right, so let's do our 4 lines in your notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bracket off 3 spaces. Now we're going to just keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bracket 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there we go. And again, I'm going to make it a little bigger. I'm not going to go in just this little space, but I'm going to make it a little bigger, not too much bigger. So here's the aleph. I'm going to leave some space because we're going to eventually be putting in the vowels here. Bait. Let's do the bait with the dagesh, and then the veit without the dagesh. So aleph is silent. Put that over here. Get out of the way. The bait is b. Veit is b. Gimel. Good. Dalet. D. Hey. Vav. Remember, the vav can take another vav as a vowel, but this is the consonant vav. The. Zion. Zigzag. Z. Hate. Tate. T. Yud. Yeah. All right, we'll put the chaf down here. Chaf. Chaf. Chaf sofit. Unfold it. Chaf. Chaf. Lamed. L. Mem. M. Mem sofit. M. Nun. N. 2 on there. Okay. Nun sofit. N. Samech. S. Ayin, silent. Guttural, vowel. Fe, that ha, the, oh, you there? Fe, f. Fe, so feet. F. Hey, with the dagesh. H. Sari. Z. Sari, so feet. Z. Hoof. H. Reish. R. Sheen. Put the dot there. Sh. Seen. Sinestre, the left. S. Tav. T. Okay. Now we're going to start adding vowels. So the first vowel is the shava. We're going to put the shava, can't do it under the aleph because the aleph makes no sound and shva makes no sound. Put it under the bait, that makes the b sound. This is b. Remember the consonant first and then the vowel, b. Veit with the shava is v. Gimel, shava, g. Dalet, shava, d. Hey, shava, p. Notice it's saying the same sound that we've got up here with the shava. Vav, shava, v. Zayin, shava, z. Chet, shava, h. Chet, shava, t. Yud, shava, y. Chaf, shava, ch. Chaf, so feet, shava. Notice I'm putting the shava inside the chaf because the rabbis liked it that way better. The Masoretic rabbis. Same sound, ch. Chaf, shava, ch. Lamed, shava, l. Mem, shava, m. Mem, so feet, shava, m. Don't worry about this, but you won't see this. I don't think I've ever seen a mem shva, but don't worry about it. We're just doing an exercise here. We're just doing all the letters here. Nun, shava, n. Nun, so feet, shava. Again, we got, I don't think I've seen that either, but that would be pronounced n. Samech, shava, s. Ayin, shava, believe it or not, in certain cultures, like in the Yemenite community, from Yemenite Jews, they had some kind of guttural sound. So I'm just going to put that. Okay. Fe, shva, f. Face, so feet, shva, f. Pei, shva, f. Sari, shva, s. Sari, so feet, shva, s. And same problem with these other so feet forms, except for this one. You will see the chaf with the shva. The chaf, so feet with the shva. Kuf, shva, kuf. Resh, shva, r. Shin, shva, sh, sin, shva, s, tav, shva, t. All right. So let's just pronounce this. B, v, g, d, h, v, z, ch, t, y, ch, ch, k, l, m, n, s, f, f, h, s, k, r, sh, s, t. All right, now let's erase the shava. And we're going to do a couple more vowels this lesson, and we'll go into the others the next lesson. But for next lesson, please start to do the exercises where you write out all the letters, and you add the vowel sounds, and then you sound it out. Okay, it does help to do this over and over again, just so that you get really good with pronunciation. Okay, let's erase that. So homework for next time, please go ahead, write out all the letters. Okay, except for the shava, you're going to write out aleph for every other letter, for every other vowel. So write out all the letters, and then add the patach, the hatef patach, the kamats, the hatef kamats, the segol, hatef segol, and so forth. Okay, you write them all out, get really good and comfy with the vowels, and then pronunciation will be much easier. All right, almost done here. And we're going to do the patach. All right, now the aleph takes a patach, and this makes the ah sound. The beit patach, ba. Veit patach, va. Gimel patach, ga. Dalet patach, da. Hey patach, ha. Vav patach, va. Zayin patach, za. Chet patach, cha. Tate patach, ta. Yud patach, ya. Chaf patach, cha. Chaf sofit patach, cha. Kaf patach, ka. Lamet patach, la. Mem patach, ma. Mem sofit patach, ma. Again, same problem with this as with the shva, but don't worry about it. This is just an exercise. Nun patach, na. Nun sofit patach, na. Same thing, same problem. Samech patach, sa. Ayin patach, o. I'll just put o. Fe patach, fa. Fe sofit patach, fa. Patach, excuse me. Fa. Hey patach, ha. Sadi patach, sa. Sadi sofit patach, sa. Kuf patach, ka. Resh patach, ra. Shin patach, sha. Sin patach, sa. Tav patach, ta. And I'm going to cheat a little bit. just to go a little quickly, I'm going to put the chatef here. That's a, ba, va, ga, da, ha, va, za, ha, ta, ya, ha, 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 la, ma, na. Okay, let's do it in here. Na, sa, o, fa, fa, ha, sa, ha, ra, sha, sa, ta. Okay, I think you get the idea. So keep on going. Next week, we're going to keep doing this, and we're going to keep going into the Masoretic text and reading the actual words. All right, so I hope this makes more and more sense. It's getting easier and easier. It'll be so much fun when you can actually read and then understand what you're reading. So I'll see you next week, and shalom.